In today's session, we will see how to install Java 8 on Windows 10 machine. Okay, so let me show you how to download the installer for Java 8 and how to install that. Okay, so let's launch Chrome browser and search download Java 8. Okay, and you can click on this Oracle site and you can click here Java SCE downloads. SCE stands for Standard Edition. Okay, and you can click here to download the Java here. So this is the latest version of Java Standard Edition 15. Okay, but we will install Java 8. That is sufficient for us. Okay, so to install Java 8 you need to scroll down. This is SE 15. Okay, and SE 11, SE 8, and if you want to download just click on JDK download. Okay, so from Oracle site, if you have to download the Java, you need to have one Oracle account here. Okay, if you will, let's suppose, click on this download link, so it will ask you to create an account here. Okay, so you can create an account on Oracle website and download the installer from here, or I have uploaded the installer on my Google Drive link. Okay, so this is the link. Okay, so you can download it from here. Okay, let me show you. So this is public link and I will put this link in description box. Let me copy this link. Okay, and let me search on Google browser. So it will ask you to download. Click on download and download anyway. Okay, now it will take to download the installer. It's downloading here. I am waiting for this to complete. Okay, meanwhile I will tell you why we are downloading Java in this session. In the next session we will see how to configure Selenium WebDriver. Okay, and how to implement few test cases of Selenium WebDriver. Okay, to learn Selenium WebDriver we need Java also. We need Java, Maven and Eclipse. Okay, so installing Java is one of the component of learning Selenium. Okay, so I'm getting one separate session for installing Java only. Who already have Java on their machines, they can skip this session, okay, and switch to the next session. Otherwise, they can go through this session, okay. So today my internet speed is a little bit slow. Okay, it's taking time to download the installer. You can skip to directly installation part. Okay, so let's wait for just a few seconds more. And one more thing, Java is a product of Oracle. Okay, that's why we switch to Oracle website. So guys, one thing to check here, we have not started installing Java here. First of all, you can check on your machine whether Java is installed or not. If you are not sure that Java is installed or not, you can just open CMD file and type Java hyphen version. Okay, so have a look. It's saying Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means Java is not installed on our machine. Okay, we need to install that. So this is the command to check that whether Java is installed on your machine or not. Okay, so right now I'm not having Java installed on my machine, and we have downloaded the installer. Let me click on this installer. Okay, so it's asking me to select yes. I clicked on yes. So it's taking a few seconds. Have a look. Now um, next point is setup. Click on next. Okay. and we want to install development tools, okay, source code, JRE also. So click on next. So it's just downloading the files, and it's just extracting files from the installer file and copying into your local drive. So click, if you by default this is the path: C drive, program files, Java, okay, Java is the folder, and JRE. Okay, if you want to change the path, okay, let's suppose you want to install the Java in D drive, you can change it from here. Okay, so but I will go with the default one. Let me click on next. So it's downloading and installing the Java. So if you want to go through the success story tutorials, API documentation, or any developer guide, or any release notes, okay, you can click on this next step. Uh, but right now our Java is installed successfully, okay, so I will click on close. So to check that whether Java is installed or not, again we will open CMD file and search Java version here. It's saying Java version is installed now. Have a look. Okay. So it's saying you have a Java version 1.8.0. Hyphen triple N. Okay. So we have successfully installed the Java on our machine. Okay. Now there's one thing, setting up environment variables. Okay. So Java has few EXEs like Java C and Java. So Java C stands for Java compiler. Okay, so if you want to use Java from on your machine in Eclipse or something like that, you need these exes. Okay, if I run Java C, okay, it is saying Java C is not it's not like a active command. Okay, it's not internal or external command. So actually Java is installed on your machine, but Java C is not accessible from this current location. Okay, because by default all the exes related to Java are stored in this default folder. uh, Let me show you. That is C drive, okay, and program files and Java, and have a look. So all the exes are stored here. You can find here Java C. Okay, this is Java C. So all the exes are in this location. If you try to run this exe from here, they will run. Okay, Java C.exe, have a look. It's running. But if you want to access Java C from some other location on your system, it will not be recognized. Okay, so what we need to change? For that we need to set environment variables. Okay, so environment variables are like creating shortcuts for your exes. Okay, to set up environment variables we need to open environment variable on machine. There are two ways you can do like that. First is you can press window key plus break key on your machine. Okay, let me show you. I am pressing window key and break key. Okay, so here from here you can click on advanced system settings, and from here you will click on environment variables. Okay, so this is the one way. Let me cancel this. Okay, let me close. And the second way is from control panel, or you can directly search here system and environment variables. Okay, so this is the link. Click on this. So you are here. So let's change the environment variables. Click on environment variables. Okay, now you have to modify this path. Okay, this path variable. Click on this and click on edit. Okay, so we have to add path for Java. Okay, so let me click on new, and here you have to paste the link of path of this JDK bin folder. Okay, copy this folder. One second. JDK bin. Okay, So just copy this path and paste in this environment video section. Okay, create a new one and paste here. Okay, just click on OK button, click on OK and click on OK. Now try this. Okay, now try this here, Java C. Is showing us Java is not installed because we are just running a Java C command on existing CMD which was open before setting up environment variables. Okay, if you not launch a new CMD from your operating system, okay, then it will show you as Java installed. Okay, so let's try with the new CMD and type Java C here. Have a look. It's showing us Java C all options. Okay, these are the Java C is a command, so these are all the options for these commands. Okay, that means Java C is accessible now. Environment variables are working fine, and you can again search. Sorry, type here Java version. Java is installed here. Okay, that's all, guys. We have installed Java in this session, and Java is working fine. In the next session, we will see how to install Maven on Windows machine. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.